Go.
Hi, Greta coming at you from Clovis. This Friday on 10/22, we have two 10/22 Rugers on our firearm project. The first one we're going to show you is the Ruger 10/22 Target. Come on for me. It has a 20-inch hammer forged full barrel with a laminate stock. That's pretty laminate. It's semi-auto with a cross bolt. It's 10-round capacity. Normally it goes for $574.97. Today it goes for $544.97. Second gun we have today is the Ruger 10/22 Birch Stock. Has an 18.5-inch barrel with adjustable rear sights. It has a 10-round capacity, semi-auto carbine, and normally it's $299.97. Today it's $277.97. Thank you. Check out your local Jubos for our Firearms Friday deals.